What's up, everybody? You are not seeing this wrong. These ramps are hooked up to the front. This customer has two sets of ramps, aluminum and steel. The steel ramps are longer and they store in the back, so there's the steel ones. But he wanted to be able to drive his Jeep from the front when he has it parked in storage. So, custom made some ramps. These are 10-foot aluminum ramps, so he can drive his wife's Mercedes up there as well. And he has a custom jack that we made. We made it swivel, so it actually removable, but he can swivel it out of the way to drive up. So he drives up the front, parks it on the trailer. When he wants to go for a drive, he just drives it off the front. Doesn't have to move anything around. We also did something unique. The back of this trailer does not have the taillights that extend. You normally see them here. We did that so that when he pulls with his RV, if he comes too close to a gate, he's not going to yank it off. These are also some custom fenders. They sit a little lower. The license plate bracket that's also a skid plate, so if you hit something. Nut struts in here, so you can just screw on your license plate, not have to fumble with it. And it does have two sets of ramps, aluminum and steel. Steel for Bobcats and Mini X's, and aluminum for cars and toys. These aluminum ramps are 10 feet. The steel ones are 6, and these are about half the weight.